Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making date syrup from home. Guys, after this DIY, you should send me thank you, like a whole bunch of thank you, because with this, I'm going to be saving you so much money from buying store-bought date syrup. And guess what? You are also going to be rest assured that your date syrup is 100% pure, unadulterated, and not those ones that are mixed with sugars that you buy at your store. So are we ready, guys? So this is what we call dates, and some people also call it dabino. So I think I got this for about 500 naira at my market. So the next thing I'm just going to do is to just wash this off a couple of times, and then I'm just going to add it in my pot. Well, there is also a method in which you can soak this date syrup overnight, but Titilade is not that much of a patient person, which is why I'm going to be using another method. And this is it, guys. I am adding hot water to my dates, and then I'm just going to cover it for 1 hour or more till it actually becomes soft. So it's been an hour already, and as you can see, I'm able to dip my hands into the water. So now this is where some people actually go ahead to stress themselves. Removing the seeds, guys. Like, what happens if you have 1,000 dates that you actually want to produce? Are you going to go ahead to remove the seeds one by one? Guys, please, let's scrap this out. I'm not a patient person. So this is what we are going to do now. After soaking our dates overnight or soaking in hot water, we are definitely just going to skip the removal of what they even call it. We are going to skip the removal of the seeds, and then we are going to add in some water, and then we are going to leave it to boil for like another 1 hour. So the scope here now is to make sure that our date becomes as soft as possible. I mean, very soft that your spoon or even your knife can pierce through it. So as you can see, I left this to boil for like some minutes or about an hour. Then I actually went ahead to check how soft it is by pressing my spoon on it, and then I can see that it is going well. So I took my pot off fire, and then I made sure that I actually squeezed this date like my life depends on it more, so I could get more juice. So after doing this, I'm just going to get my mesh clothes. Some people call it ashowogi, like that clothes used to sieve pap. You guys understand. So this is what we are going to be using. It's very, very important. So I went ahead to rinse it first, and then I got myself a bowl, and then I transferred the puree into the cheesecloth. So after doing that, I added some more water, some cold water, so I can be able to put my hands inside and squeeze the living life out of this date. I need all my juice. I need all the water. I need all the sweetness in this date. So I'm just going to go ahead, squeeze it out, and make sure that, yes, I am okay. So after doing that, then we are going to know what the next step is. So apparently I got back my pot, and then I'm just going to transfer the water that I got from my date, and I'm just going to put that on fire. Guys, I have small gist for you. Know that song? Of course I effed up. Who never F up once in the year? No one so if I can't believe, you know what I mean. I'm so young, what you expect from me? It is what it is. You know what I mean. Guys, this was the F up, but don't worry. I got ya. I got ya, guys. So guys, I started this recipe all over again, but from where I effed up, now let's continue from there. So this was where we stopped, and this time around I got myself a larger quantity of the dates. I got about 1,300 naira one, which was I think 1 Congo or more. So right from where we left off, I put the pot on fire. I mean the pot that has the water of the dates. I put it on fire and then I left it to actually cook for a long time. Guys, if you hear patience is a virtue, then this is it. So after a while, you can see the pot is drying up. So this was where I made mistake at the first time where my date syrup was actually drying up. I'm supposed to actually reduce, the light, or I'm supposed to reduce the fire so that the water can dry up peacefully and without a rush. So as you can see, our date syrup is already thickening up, and then you can definitely see that it's now water free, and then our date syrup is ready. So I took the dates down and allowed it to cool down, and this is the final result of her dates. Guys, can you believe that? 100% pure, guys. No sugar, no mixture. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, please turn on your post notification, subscribe, and like this video as well. Thank you.